Can't set an account as an administrator on Windows? Get back on your admin powers with this Windows guide. So begin fixing the issue with modifying the user account control settings. To do it, open Control Panel, navigate to System and Security, select Security and Maintenance, and choose Change User Account Control Settings. Now in the pop-up window, move the slider to the desired level and click OK to save the changes. Now next is to activate the built-in administrator account. Do it by opening Run, type in the following, run it by pressing Enter, expand Users, right-click on Administrator, choose Properties, then uncheck the Account is Disabled option and click OK. Now this should successfully activate the built-in administrator account. But for your last resort, if a third-party security program on your computer is preventing the switch to an admin account for security reasons, try temporarily disabling it. So what you will need to do is right-click on the antivirus icon on your system tray, access Shields Control, and then select an option to disable it temporarily. And that's what you should do when you cannot set an account as an administrator on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.